All right, y'all. So look, this is what white sage looks like. As you can see, you see it? This is white sage. All white sage is a plant that comes in bundles, usually like this, and it's basically meant for quote unquote smudging. What is smudging? Smudging is the use of sage in order to get rid of negative energies in a certain environment. Example, your house or your apartment. So I'm gonna bring up this example, right? Let's say, I'm gonna put this up right quick. Let's say, right, you're going through life, right? And let's say, I don't know, something negative happens, right? Because that's life. Wow, my skin looks amazing. But it's life, right? Anything can happen. Let's say, I don't know, man, some angry Karen just got mad at you today and was yelling at you, cursing you out, and it made you mad. Or let's say you somebody with a low vibration, male or female. I'm talking to both men and women here. Let's say you had intercourse with somebody with a low vibration, right? They bring your vibration down. Obviously, now your vibration is lowered. This is why I went from being in a relationship, being single. My vibration was being raised. Hers was not being raised. Hers was bringing mine down. That's why my skin looks like this now. Anyways, once you get your sage right, all you gotta do, right? Simple. All it is burning sage. Take it just like this. What you want to do is, if you're doing it yourself, right? You're doing it on yourself. All you gotta do is put it around your neck, around your shoulders, around your arms, on your armpits, around your torso, and also around your neck. You could do it in the form of an ankh, like for anybody who's Christian, it's partially like doing the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit, like boom, 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 boom. You can put it around your neck, around the back of your head. You could do that however you want to, as long as it's going around your body, all right? For all I care, you could dance with it. I don't care. Do whatever you want to, okay? But that's the purpose of sage. If you're doing it in your house, right, the main point of you doing it in your house is to get rid of negative energy. So when you do it in your house, you need to open your windows, open your doors, not all of them, but just open them to have an outlet for the negative energy to leave your house. Because that's the point. How is energy supposed to leave your house if your house is fully closed off? There's no outlets for it to leave. You see what I'm saying? That's just how it works. Now say this, right? Now, get this. I'm going to get this question, right? I'm going to get this question of, do I need to sage? Do I need to sage? The answer is no. Does it help? Yes, it does help. Because look, I'm going to bring the example of Call of Duty. Because I love playing Call of Duty. I'm going to bring the example of Call of Duty, right? With Call of Duty, right? I know a guy plays on a regular button layout, jumps with X, crouches with circle, shoots with the he shoots with the triggers on a regular controller, but he's better than me. I have a controller with control freaks of different heights, and I'm playing a different button layout with a monitor. So you're probably wondering, how is he better than you, but you have all that stuff? Just because it's a sense of IQ, awareness, and just experience. He's played longer than me, so obviously he's gonna have more experience and have a higher IQ than me when it comes to those things, just like being spiritual. If you take care of yourself enough, you do the things that you need to do on a daily basis, you probably don't need sage. You probably don't. But let's say, you know what I'm saying, every now and again, something's going to catch you lacking because life happens. Life happens to you. What do? You could either take it as is, go back to your house, brush it off, continue on with your daily life, meditate, maybe go on a fast, drink your water, exercise, all that stuff. So let's say you do all that stuff, right? You might not need sage. But let's say, you know what I'm saying, something caught you lacking. Or maybe you saw a couple posts that changed your mood, right? For whatever possible reason it is, let's just say something happened. And whenever you start carrying negative energy, you're going to know you're carrying negative energy. For anybody who's spiritual, it literally feels like there's like an anchor in your body near like your solar plexus chakra. It literally feels like there's an anchor in your body holding you back, either like in your chest, slightly below your chest, or in your head. It's like mentally blocking you. So sage can help get rid of that. Also, you have to be meditating and you have to have some type of decent energy. So go on semen retention for a little bit. Make sure you're meditating, drinking water, exercising, all that stuff. Because you're trying to get rid of negative energy, but you're the source of negative energy. You see what I'm saying? So it's not going to work if you are the source of negative energy. So make sure you're not the source of it. You're not the source of it. And you don't have anything else in your life that you can possibly change that is seriously affecting you. If you got family members that are too low vibrational, you might just need to move. If you got a job you hate too much, you might just need to quit that job. All honesty. Now let's say this, right? Let's say this. Let's say this, right? You want to know whether or not you need sage. Probably don't. I'm going to be honest with you. It will help you. Honestly, it will help you like it helped me. I just finished smudging. That's why it's out here. But if you already take care of yourself, probably don't need it. And don't listen to these goofy freaking spiritual YouTubers that are going to tell you that you need to sage every single day, 2 times a day. You don't need to do that, bro. You don't need to do that. A lot of the stuff that spiritual people do, a lot of these quote-unquote woke and conscious people do, you don't need to do them. It just makes their life a little bit better. And to be honest with you, they might do some negative things behind the scenes that you don't know about. So them doing those things helps them. Sort of like they set themselves back and they use those tactics that they're trying to force onto you to bring themselves back up to speed. When in reality, if they never had those setbacks, they wouldn't need something to bring them to bounce them back. See what I'm saying? So that's it for this today. I don't know what I was about to say. That's it for today's video, man. It's DatBoiFrank, and today is election day. Today is election day. I just want to let y'all know, man, whatever happens in this nonsense matrix, man, keep moving life, keep moving through life, because my life is going to be enjoyable. My life is enjoyable regardless of what happens to all these bots. Whatever happens to these bots has nothing to do with me, okay? I'm going to keep doing me. And that's it for today's video. It's DatBoiFrank, and I'm out. Peace.